Hi, my name is Ted Alexander. I'm the owner of Andina Brewing Company. About half a year ago, we decided to open our first tap room here in Lima, and we wanted to go with a self-service tap system. So I poked around on the internet and found about 4 or 5 different providers and called them all and talked to all of them and got Drink Command was head and shoulders above everyone else with their pricing, with their customer service, and their willingness just to share all the information right up front about their product. We went with them. It was a pretty easy choice, and really glad we did. Right from the get-go, Kevin, their sales guy in Ireland, was super available, really helpful, friendly, fun to work with, fun to talk to. The install guys that came down from Liquid Life to do the install, they came down twice, once to do the install, and then they sent 2 guys down for inauguration just to make sure everything was good and we were happy with their system. That second trip was all at their own cost. Yeah, I mean, there's just really, I can't say enough good things about it. We had a great time working, and we're really looking forward to opening our next tap room with them. There's no doubt that we'll use them again. And we just formed a really good, fun working relationship over the time. So here's the Drink Command of Liquid Life. You guys, if you're thinking about making a decision about which company to use, highly recommend it.